Hey guys, this is Matt with Alma. Today I'm going to show you guys how to bleach dye a t-shirt. You can do it with any t-shirt that you have. It's a really cool thing you can do with your old t-shirts. It doesn't have to be black. It can be literally any color but white. A couple things. We are going to use bleach, so make sure that you know if you're allergic to bleach or not before you try doing this. And I recommend doing it outside because it does get a little bit strong with the smell and you don't want to inhale too much of that. So there's a couple ways you can do it. If you want like these really big bleach spots, you can do like these really tight little twists when you rubber band this up, or you can do these really thick twists and you're gonna get more black and less bleach. Now I'm just gonna literally rubber band this in random places to get this kind of random bleach dyed look. And I'm gonna start doing that now. What we decided to do with this shirt was do a lot of tighter twists around the outside of the shirt and a lot of larger, bigger twists in the middle, hopefully to give us a nice dark black center and a lot of the pretty bleach dye color around the outside. There's really no rhyme or reason to the way that you want to do these twists. It's just going to be random. You're going to get a beautiful different pattern every single time if you do it this way. We were just going pretty hard with the rubber bands. We actually ran out and we had to call our good friend Jonathan to come bring us some more. Then we just ended up finishing with a couple more. You're gonna wanna really twist the center of the shirt after you've gone and gotten all these ties that are going off to the outside. Now we're gonna start doing the bleaching process, and again, this is bleach, super strong chemical, so wear gloves because you don't want to get it on your hands. Don't touch your eyes, don't touch your mouth, don't touch your ears. Make sure there's no pets around, no small kids around. And like I said, it's better to do it outside so you're not inhaling a bunch of toxin fumes. And if you're gonna do it inside, I recommend the bathroom with the fan on. So now we're gonna start just pouring bleach over the entire thing. Then you just start applying a lot of bleach through the entire shirt. You're gonna wanna completely cover it here. More is less actually here. So you really just wanna make sure it's completely covered, flip it over, and get the entire shirt basically soaked with the bleach. Now that we've completely covered the shirt, you're gonna wanna let it sit from anywhere from 10 to 20 minutes. Once you find a color that you actually like is whenever you stop. We let ours sit for about 10 minutes and we got a color that we really liked. All right, now we're going to cut the rubber bands because this is like a good level of bleach that I like. If you wanna like really get the color where it's super bright and super like in there, you can leave it just longer and longer. But you kind of risk getting like less of the black color and more of it just being like different levels of chlorine or bleach dyed. So we're gonna start cutting now, if I can get the rubber bands. Now we have let the bleach soak in. We're just gonna rinse everything off. You wanna get cool water and you wanna rinse all of the bleach out. So I would just take it, bundle it up, and like bring it out, rinse, bring it out, and rinse. And you just kind of repeat that process until you get all of the bleach out. Okay, so now we've got our shirt, it's rinsed out, there's no more bleach in it. You can tell by just wringing it out while you're rinsing it. If you don't see any color coming out of it and the water's clear, it's good to go and you can touch it now. You can either throw this right into the dryer right after you're finished with it, or you can leave it out to sun dry, and that's what we're gonna do. And we'll check after this dries, see how it looks at the end. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching this video. This is the finished product of the shirt after it's been dried and washed. If you want to enter a giveaway to actually win one of these shirts that we made, go to our Instagram at My Alma Coffee. Thanks so much.